Samsung has made the exciting world of virtual reality a reality with Gear VR Innovator Edition. Powered by Oculus and the Galaxy Note 4, Gear VR is a virtual reality headset that lets you experience games, movies, and more like never before. You simply insert the Galaxy Note 4 into place and put it on. Then select Milk VR and get ready to be amazed. And you're gonna want some serious sound.
Whoa, what a view.
Gear VR plunges you into a totally immersive 360 environment. What do you think?
Feels like I'm really there.
You can see things from a whole new perspective. Ready for another adventure? Navigate menus, explore worlds, and play games by simply turning your head, swiping, and tapping the side-mounted touchpad.
And now I'm on a safari.
Gear VR brings the experience to life. And where are you? I'm in a really intense battle. Take that.
Direct hit!
Whoa. Looks like the best seat in the house. Up, down, side to side, even behind you. Everywhere you look, you're in the action.
Wow.
And it all happens on the Super AMOLED screen on the Galaxy Note 4. The world of virtual reality is finally here, with Samsung Gear VR Innovator Edition, powered by Oculus and the Galaxy Note 4.